How can I get comfortable with my ears going into the water? The first question you want to ask yourself is, am I willing to feel what it feels like to have water in my ears? If the answer is no, I am not willing, no, that doesn't sound safe, no, I can't keep calm in my body, no, I want to run away, then don't do it. It's not time yet. It's okay. It's more important that you listen to yourself, that you build trust within yourself than it is to make yourself put your ears in the water. If the answer is no, let it be no. Really, truly, let it be no. No, not yet. That might be the next step. It's not time yet, right? Now you've left some opening for it. It isn't until you hear a yes. And if you're listening to this video, there's probably some part of you that's a yes, but a bigger part that's a no. It's only when the yes part becomes bigger, and that's actually what you want. And you can come about it with curiosity. You can put yourself in a safe place. This is something that you could do at home. You don't even need a swimming pool. You could start with just putting your earlobe in the water, in calm water. Probably not going to do this where there's a bunch of splashy kids, but just your earlobe in the water. And notice if you're calm or if you're freaking out. And we want to let your system calm down before you're going to move to the next thing. See that you are safe, that you are listening to yourself. You are taking care of both your physical and your mental safety. You can then put your hand over your ear to kind of give it some protection and put it into the water that way. So you get to be in charge of allowing some water in or not. We're letting curiosity and willingness pull us forward. You can do one ear, do the other ear. Be cautious about tipping your head to do the other ear. You'll have residual water in the first ear. You'll probably feel it trickle in. That's the part that gives us a little tickle and gets your nervous system a little stimulated. So just know that could be part of it. Expect it. Or no, I'm going to lower down and keep my ears even so that I don't have the rolling in yet. I'll do the rolling in when I'm ready for that. Take care of that mental side as much as the physical side. It's so important for joyous, safe swimming.